Imagine a world where your Fresno auto shop runs itself. Sounds crazy, right? What if AI could find your next customer while you sleep? Welcome to the future of automotive shop management. Picture this, your shop buzzing, not with chaos, but with precise AI-driven marketing targeting clients ready to spend. No more guesswork, no more wasted ads. Witness AI analyzing thousands of data points in seconds, predicting trends before they happen. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening now in Fresno. And here's the twist. America's best shops created this complete AI-powered marketing system, just for you. It learns your shop's unique vibe, customizes strategies, and skyrockets your customer base effortlessly. Imagine your shop's phone ringing off the hook with bookings, while your competitors scramble, stuck in the past. Feel that rush? That's the power of technology unlocking hidden profits. But here's the kicker. This system is designed to work seamlessly, no tech expertise required. You focus on fixing cars, AI handles the rest. Ready to break free from outdated marketing? Ready to revolutionize your shop's growth? What's holding you back from becoming the top Fresno auto shop with AI by your side? The future is here. Are you in or out?